In this video, we're going to cover the required steps to reconnect your Google Drive account to your Squarespace form and newsletter block storage. To get started, log into your Google Drive account at drive.google.com and open up your account settings. Next, select Manage Apps, scroll down to Squarespace, and select Options, then Disconnect from Drive. This will disconnect Google Drive from all Squarespace form and newsletter blocks connected to that Google Drive account. From here, log into your Squarespace site and navigate to the pages where your form and newsletter blocks are hosted. Then, disconnect and reconnect each one back to Google Drive by double-clicking the block and selecting Storage, Additional Storage, Google Drive, and Disconnect. Then, reconnect the block back to Google Drive. This will fully reset the connection between Squarespace and Google Drive and store all future submissions on a new Google Sheet moving forward. Please take a look at our documentation for any other questions and subscribe to Squarespace Help for all future product updates and tutorials.